In this video, I'm sat in a 2021 Toyota RAV4, and this is a hybrid model. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the two clocks on the car. And by two clocks, I mean the one that's in the middle of your dashboard here, and also the one that's at the top of your entertainment screen here. And we're really lucky because both of these clocks are actually synchronized, and therefore we only have to go to one menu to actually update them both. And that menu is actually found on the entertainment screen. There's two ways we can get there. One, we're going to go ahead and tap menu, then setup, and then clock. And just to show you the other way from the home screen, you can actually just tap onto the clock there. So when we're in the clock menu, you've got a few different options, and I'll just talk you through them. So the top one is the time zone. So it'll give you all of your local time zones, and then you can actually go to other and go backwards and forwards as you please. The next, you can apply daylight savings time, so you can apply that if you need to. I'm just going to skip over the next one and go to the bottom. That's our 24-hour time format if you'd rather that than 12 hours. And you can see the times changing straight away as soon as I do it. Now, if you're like me, and sometimes the GPS can actually get a bit confused because you're close to a time zone border, or you like to set your clock so it's a little bit fast so you get places early, then you can actually turn off the GPS auto adjust. So once you've done this, you can actually just go backwards and forwards on the hours or the minutes, and as soon as you've done that, it'll actually adjust both of the clocks at the same time. And then when you hit home, that'll just automatically stay on that new clock setting. And at any point, if you want to go back to the GPS synchronization, you can just go back into that menu, tap that, and it's just adjusted that time straight away. So there we go, that's how easy it is to adjust the clocks on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.